Alright, so this is Umberto here again. So he's kind of doing a little bit of what Rusty was doing yesterday. So we're just going to get him over here. Hopefully this week. Hey! Here he comes. Okay. So I waved to him. He was looking for me. He heard the whistle. He was looking for me, so you gotta pay attention. So I'm really just gonna come over here and just kind of. I always start not bringing the bird bag out just to kind of see what the dog's gonna do on the birds, and I really don't do too much as far as at least the first few, as far as what scent I'm putting down. Like I don't rub the bird up against the tree or anything like that with the dogs, because I kind of want to see what they're going to do and how good their nose is and a number of things. And so I know that his nose, and he got to it yesterday pretty good, but I don't know, today is a different day. So pull a trail out of my bag here. He's just sitting right there. Dizzy just a little bit. Good boy. Good boy. Get him. Get him. Good boy. Good boy. So now if I did this with the other dog, that bird would be destroyed by now. So that's why I'm doing it with this dog, like how I'm doing this here. He's just not excited yet. A little prickly in there. See how bad he wants that bird. He can smell it in there. He knows it's right there, but doesn't realize it's up in the air here. Which is, let's see. Let's get ready to fly. Again, do it again. Look at it. Really, I wouldn't mind if you picked it up. Gotta make him go get it. Good boy. So, over here. See if he wants to be a hunting dog, he's got to get through all this stuff. He will, he's just not used to it yet. He's still a baby. Still a puppy. That's what we're trying to do, right? All that work and effort going towards it, it's going to make him more aggressive on that bird, right? And he's still, but it's more of an inquisitiveness to him, I think. Go back in the bush. Where is it? Down here, let's throw another bird out for him. He's kind of out in the open a little bit. See what he does. Oh, don't fly too far. This is a long video, but this is what it takes with these dogs. And it's really not that long in perspective. So now he's got this bird pinned. So back up. So just me walking up to him there, that's a little bit of pressure on him. So we're going to back off and let him know, hey, let him play. He can play with it. It's okay. Good boy. 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 Go back over here, and we might be overdoing it a little bit now, kind of getting there, but we'll go take a quick walk by over here where that bird was up in this bush and see if he goes to scent it or not, and then we'll go in. He's not really searching much, he's just following me, it's typical with the pup. Just gotta spend some time. I can tell it's not the most exciting thing to him, the bird. So if we continue, if we put too much pressure on him, he's not gonna. All right, so we're gonna call that day, and I think that the next time around, hopefully they'll do better.